Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 15 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to finish creating our model. We added the house number right here, and then we added lights, and then we fixed the one at the back. So now we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to show you guys is how to create sheets. But first, let's go to ground floor, and then actually first floor only. And we're going to create a camera view. This is for our rendering, and this is what we're gonna use for our starting view. So here we created this view. Let's go to manage, and then we're gonna click this as our starting view. So here is the name, view number 2. So we're gonna set that so every time we open this project, this is the view that we're gonna see. After that, we have this view as well. We need to create sheets first. So new sheet, we have azerometric. This is what we're gonna use, but I'm gonna show you where you can get different kinds of title blocks. So go to title blocks and you can load some of this one, but I'm gonna use azerometric. I'm gonna add 5 for now, and we're gonna use this one as AZE101, and then keep creating sheets. So if you notice, Revit recognized the sequencing, so and then add 5 for now, and then if we need anyone or anything after this, we're just going to add it. So here, this will be our cover sheet, and then you can also go to the specific sheet, and then you can put an AC design. We could call this one as house first, and then here we could put in first floor, and then go here again, second floor. And then you can do is you can also do it right here, elevation, and then another elevation. So cover sheet, and then let's go to our 3D view first. Let's close some of this one, and then the 3D view that we created, the number 2, we need to go to our view and then render. We're gonna render this one as draft. Like, this is the minimum settings. If you go to until best or custom, it will take time, and of course the rendering quality is much better. But for this exercise, we're just gonna do draft. I'm gonna click render, and it will render a couple of seconds only, and then after that we could adjust exposure. And once we're done with adjusting the exposure, we can export it to different kinds of like file. So here, if you want to make it darker, you can adjust this one, and then you can click apply. And then if you want to undo it, you can reset everything else. You can export this one to JPEG, PNG, TIFF file, or bitmaps. So you can do that as well. And you can also save it to your project. So here, I'm just gonna save it to here, and it will create a rendering file right here. I can close this now, and then I could drag the rendering right here. and then I don't want this title, so no title. Double click and we can make it bigger. After that, let's close this first for now. After that, let's go to schedule, right click on this, and then new sheet list. We're going to have sheet number and sheet name, and then click OK. It will create a sheet list. Go to cover sheet again, and then drag this one. Of course, we could change this a bit. So we could go to here, appearance. I don't want any blank space right here. I want the title to be bigger, so 8, 6, and then 4. So body text will be 4, header text would be 6, and then the title text would be 8. Press OK, and then I want to change the name here to drawing list. And then here we could increase the spacing, and then there you go. And you don't need to worry about this, it's going to be automatic now. So if you change the name here, if you add or delete any sheet, it will reflect automatically on our drawing list, so you don't need to touch this one anymore. So I'm gonna close this now, and then close this, and then close the 3D view, because we're gonna focus on the first floor now. Here you just need to drag and drop, but as you can see, this one is too big, or it's not cropped yet. You need to do is go to first floor. If it's 1 to 100, that's fine, but I'm gonna change it to 1:50 because it will be the perfect size. And then what you need to do is crop view. You check all of this so it's easier for you, and then just crop it to the location that you want. After that, go to second floor again, 1:50 here, and then do the crop as well. So make sure everything is checked, and then crop it accordingly to what you want. And then here, if you go to first floor now, as you can see, it's all cropped now, and it's nicer in your sheet. So go to second floor again, and then drag second floor right about here. So 1:50, second floor name is there. And then we could go to our elevation. We need to go to each and every one. Make sure 1:50 is the scale. You can do crop all of them, so make sure the extent is all checked so that you can crop them accordingly. I'm gonna do realistic, make sure fine is good, and then for elevation I want the shadows to be turned on. Do that on all of them. 1:50, realistic, fine, and then turn on shadow. Same thing goes here, shadow on, 1:50, crop them accordingly so that everything is nice once you drop it. I'm gonna double check the north elevation if it's cropped properly, and then west elevation, turn on shadow, and then the only thing we need to do is to drag and drop our model to our sheet, and then south elevation as well, and then west elevation. I want to add section as well, so I'm gonna create a new sheet list. So I want section here, and then I want callouts as well. Section, and then callout. So now if we check cover sheet, as you can see, it added sections, and then it added callouts. So now what we need to do is, I'm just going to make sure this one is the only thing, and the callout is turned on, is and then go to section. We need to go to first floor, and what we need to do is to add a section view. So here I'm going to our section view. I want to add it from this view to this view, and then another one on the side from the stairs. And then this is the view range. Make sure you put it towards where do you want it to be shown only. And then after that, if you notice, there's no information here yet, because we haven't added to our section sheet yet. So once we have that, all those information will be added. So here, section 1 is to 50. I'm gonna turn on shadows as well. Look at to fine, and then just leave it like this. Go to fine, 1 is to 50, and then the shadow, and then just simply drag and drop both of them, and you have your section, and then all of this information now is added. And then now we're gonna create our callout. Go to our first floor. So for example, go to view, and you want the stairs to have detailed, about your kitchen area to have detailed. Okay. And then if you go to your second floor, so this one is the stairs first. Stairs call out. The second one is kitchen call out. Go to second floor, and then go to call out again, and I want the ensuite to have, and then the one of the rooms as well. So bedroom 2 call out. So ensuite, and then this one is bedroom 2 call out. And then you can add multiple callouts if you want, and then the only thing you need to do is to drag and drop. So all the callouts will be added there. You can do kitchen, ensuite, bedroom. I think that's it. Ensuite, bedroom, kitchen, and then stairs. And you can add more if you want to. And then if you notice in the first floor, all this information as well has been added. So this is the drawing 1, and then this is drawing 2. And then the only thing that we need to do now is to print. So go to file, export. Here there's nothing yet, so you can just click on print. Here, combine them. I want it to be in desktop. Here you can create different kinds of full set, and then preset them. So here I have full set. I'm gonna save them and then press OK, and then press OK. So the result is right here. We have the cover sheet, first floor, second floor, elevations, and then we have sections, and then callouts. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.